as we are still working systemizing, I wrote for where I keep my things because it was a little bit dusty. Once in a while, I do systemize everything, clean everything. And this one is empty. Let me keep it here. Don't wash finish. Guys, this house, I have half peppers, half. I've not used a lot of peppers. Let me grind some and keep it. Mix them with the old ones that I have and keep it out there. Make I mix on my pepper. Half. Now let me want to do half things for this life. Oh my God. So I want to grind all this pepper and mix because all these ones are different kind of pepper. The one that is in down, which is my boss that gave me where I was working before. Then my mother brought for me. I bought some here, so let me grind some and mix them together. And all these ones when I bought when I was going to trip. So I need to do some things here to clear off this place. Everything half. They use and swear for me. Make I ask myself question. Everything half. They use and swear for me. I'm feeling it already. I'm feeling it. Oh, let me continue grinding. Grind everything. So let's go down. And so I have, because I am trying to rearrange. I think that this one can be able to stay inside here. Yeah. Nice idea, Abby. On top of my amala. So I have to keep my pepper this way. There's my spices. Then I keep them here. Okay. Yeah, these machines has to go inside and bring out my milk. Milk can stay here so that I can be seeing everything easily.